The circular was issued by the teacher, not with the teacher. This is the error part. Use by. Okay, this is the right use by. Basically the preposition by is only used for doer, not for any object. Okay, with is used for object like with a hammer. The burglar broke the box with a hammer, not by a hammer. In second sentence, the circular was issued by the teacher. Here teacher. Hello everyone, welcome to English World. Today in this video I'm gonna solve some question. Basically this is spotting the error. I'm going to spot the error part in each sentences. So watch the video up to the very end, don't miss one, and never forget to hit the like button, and also share my videos to your children, students, anyone. Now let's come to the topic. As I told you, if you are able to spot the error part, comment down below and I will select whose answer is right. Now let's come to the topic. As I told you, this is spotting the error. Spotting the error means we have to spot the error part, because the sentences that I have written here is wrong. Okay, and we have to spot the error part by knowing the rule and regulation. Let's start now here. The first sentence, the burglar broke the box by a hammer. The burglar broke the box by a hammer. So this is your sentence, and spot the error part. See here, the burglar. First see here, the burglar. This is your noun phrase. Okay, this is your noun phrase, and here see in that noun phrase, this is your article, and burglar noun which is modifying. Okay, which is used to modify noun. The modify burglar article modify noun. This is your noun phrase, no doubt, and this is modifying noun. The burglar broke. Here see, this one broke. This is your main verb. This is your main verb. The burglar broke the box. Here again see the box. The box. The burglar broke the box. Again this is noun phrase, and in that noun phrase here, this is your article, the, and here see box, your noun, and it is modifying the noun. Okay, the box is a noun phrase, and here see the burglar broke the box. Broke, your main verb. The burglar broke what? The box, noun phrase. So this is an object of main verb. Here see, this is an object of main verb. Okay, this is an object of main verb. The burglar broke what? The box. So the burglar broke what? The box. So that's why here this noun phrase is an object of main verb. No doubt here. By, this is your preposition, by. Okay, preposition. A hammer, again here noun phrase. Noun phrase, article, noun which is modifying what? Noun. And where is the error part? Okay, I have discussed about that in starting, like spotting the error part. The burglar broke the box by a hammer. The burglar broke the box by a hammer. This is your sentence, and I'm going to spot the error part. I spotted the error part. This is the error part. How this is the error part? Here learn one golden rule of English grammar, like the use of by, and in second sentence you will learn the use of with. Okay, here the by, I'm talking about the preposition by, is used for doer. Okay, what? Doer. Preposition by is only used for doer, not with something, with any object. Okay, don't use by for any object, for something. Okay, the preposition by is only used for doer. Okay, so like here, the burglar broke the box, and for any object, for something, we with. Use with in place of by. Okay, this is the right use. Use with in place of by. This is the error part. And just I told you the preposition by is only used for doer. That means subject. Sometimes subject, the burglar broke the box with a hammer. Don't say by a hammer. Okay, the burglar broke the box with a hammer. Hammer is an object, so that's why for any object we use with preposition with is used for any object. Here the hammer is an object. Don't say like the burglar broke the box by a hammer. By is only used for doer. Again, see from starting, the burglar is your noun phrase, and in that noun phrase the word, the article and definite article, burglar noun, and which is modifying noun burglar, no doubt, broke man verb, the box again noun phrase, the definite article, box noun which is modifying box. And here see the burglar broke what, the box. This is your noun phrase and object of man verb. So ask a question like the burglar broke what, the box, by a hammer, by your preposition. This is the error part. Don't say by a hammer, with a hammer, because with is only used for object, not for doer. By is used for doer, no doubt. Now let's see here second one, and spot the error part in second sentence. The circular was issued with the teacher. The circular was issued with the teacher. Let's start here. Again, see here sentence starts with the circular. Oh, one thing I forget, the burglar here. This noun phrase is an, I told you this is a noun phrase and working as a subject. Okay, don't forget this. The burglar is your subject in this sentence, and man verb, noun phrase, object, the box object, by a hammer, object of preposition. Again, I forget something to write here. Okay, object of preposition, because here the preposition is followed by noun phrase, so this is an object of preposition. Here the burglar noun phrase, this is a subject in this sentence, broken man verb, the box here is an object of man verb, broke with a hammer. Here preposition is followed by a noun phrase, so that's why this noun phrase, a hammer, is an object of preposition. So that's why here understand the circular, again your noun phrase and working as a subject here in the sentence, keep in mind. And here in that noun phrase, this is your article and noun which is modifying what, which is modifying noun circular. Okay, the is a definite article, keep in mind. Was here, was is an auxiliary verb. Okay, was is an auxiliary verb, issued, past participle. What, past participle. The circular was issued with the teacher. Again here see, with the teacher. What I told you here, this is a preposition and the teacher is noun phrase, and in that noun phrase the definite article the, which is modifying noun teacher. I have discussed many times about that, and this is the error part, my dear friends. Here this is the error part. Don't use with for doer. The circular was issued by the teacher, not with the teacher. This is the error part. Use by. Okay, this is the right use by. Basically the preposition by is only used for doer, not for any object. Okay, with is used for object like with a hammer. The burglar broke the box with a hammer. not by a hammer. In second sentence, the circular was issued by the teacher. Here, the teacher. Actually, the teacher is a doer. Okay, doer. The circular was issued by the teacher, not with the teacher. Okay, and now let's see the next sentence. And now let's see the third one here. And as for the error part in third sentence, like here, the cake was baked with the chip. The cake was baked with the chip. So here see the first sentence, the cake. This is a noun phrase and working as a subject here in this sentence. The cake, your subject, and see the article cake, noun which is modifying cake. No doubt was, here see, was auxiliary verb baked past participle with the chip. Here this is your preposition and the chip your noun phrase, and in that noun phrase the word the is your definite article and chip your noun which is again modifying noun. I tell you everything. The cake was baked with the chip, and just I told you in golden rule, with is only used for something, yeah, some object, not for some like anyone, like for any person, like for any doer. So here the cake was baked with the chip. So here the chip is a noun and doer. So with, the preposition with is not used for doer. With is only used for an object, with something. The cake was baked with the chip. So I spotted the error part here. See, this is the error part. Don't use with. Don't use preposition with for any doer. Use preposition with for any object, for something, not for any doer. So this is the error part. Use by. What? Use by in place of with. This is the right use. Now the cake was baked by the chip. The cake was baked by the chip, and this is an object of preposition here. This is an object of preposition. Don't forget this. So I told you the cake was baked by the chip, not with the chip. The preposition with is only used for an object, for something, not for doer. Preposition by is used for doer. So here see the cake. This is your subject and was auxiliary verb baked past participle baked past participle third form, and here by preposition, and I have mentioned here the chip, noun phrase and object of preposition. And as for the error part in fourth example, the house was built with the workers by bricks. And as for the error part, it is very easy to spot the error part by knowing the rule, by knowing the use of some preposition, and by knowing the golden rule. And for that you have to watch my old video that I created. Here see the house. This is your subject and noun phrase. Okay, and here the I told you many times about the definite article, house, noun, and it is modifying house, the house. Okay, the house your subject and was auxiliary verb built past participle third form of verb was built with the worker, and here see preposition and the worker, again noun phrase, and in that noun phrase this is your definite article and noun again which is modifying noun. Okay, and by bricks, and here see by, again preposition, and this is your noun bricks. And where is the error part? Where is the error part? And here see, this is the error part and this is the error part. There are two error parts and with the preposition. And just I told you, keep in mind, preposition by is only used for doer, for subject, okay, not for an object. And preposition with is only used for something, for some an object, okay, like by is used for doer, so don't use by bricks, use with bricks. This is the right use with bricks by the workers, don't use with the workers, use by the worker. This is the right use. Okay, now the sentence is right. The house was built by the workers with bricks. This is the right use, and you can easily find that one. The house was built by the workers with bricks. By the workers. The workers is a doer in this sentence, and here bricks is an object. So here here this is a preposition, with is a preposition, the preposition is followed by noun, so this is an object of preposition, object of preposition. Okay, bricks is an object of preposition. Again, see my dear friends, first third sentence here, the cake was baked by the chef, okay, not with the chef. And the house was built by the workers with bricks. Don't say like that, the cake was baked with the chef. Basically with is only used for an object, not for doer. For doer we use preposition by. The house was built by the workers, not with the workers, and with bricks. So I told you the golden rule of English grammar. And hit the like button. Bye bye.